Presentation is on the topic biotechnology and therapeutics. So here we are focusing on immunomodulatory biologics. So immunological biologics are treatment or therapeutic agents that are used to, treat diseases which have autoimmune diseases or cancers or anti-inflammatory diseases. So these work by recalibrating the immune system in such a way that it can have defense against the diseases and disorders. So these biologics actually work by involving cytokines or antibodies, and these act in the areas like immune checkpoints or cellular pathways, and also target cytokines. So for the application here, we are focusing on the cancer treatment of chronic lymphomatic leukemia. So BTK cells are actually cells that BTK cells focus on sending signals about adhesion or migration or survival to the cells in the lymph nodes. So if the cancer cells gets the signal to proliferate, it can spread to other places, which can cause the malignant tumors, etc. So what we do is we insert BTK inhibitors in the BTK proteins, which make sure that the protein is inactive, and then we can make sure that the cancer cells do not proliferate. On the other side, in the peripheral blood, there's a protein called BCL2, which prevents the cell from programmed cell death. And also, if we insert ABT199, which is a drug inside, this protein is also the action of the protein is also inhibited, and this cells, the cancer cells, especially cancer cells, it's made sure that the cancer cells undergo programmed cell death so it doesn't spread or grow. In the future, these immunotherapy can be used as a personalized therapy, and also focusing, if you combine genomics and bioengineering, it can also maximize the responses. So to conclude this, I'm going to say that immunomodulators are actually biologically safe, and it can help from the toxic effects of drugs if used properly, and it was also a targeted type of immunotherapy. Thank you.
What is the limitation of immunomodulators?
Ma'am, there are some areas for certain type of diseases, but in the future, I think if it is more utilized by nanocarriers and targeted, we can face it.
No, the whole limitation means the economic problem is there.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
quite costly.
It is costly and it is little bit, it requires time, but in future, the research is still going on. It's still developing. So, thank you, ma'am.